Looking for a rock-solid tablet mount that won't let you down on the road? Whether you're a truck driver who needs navigation at eye level, a parent trying to keep the kids entertained, or just someone who wants their iPad accessible while driving, the wrong mount can be frustrating and even dangerous. I've tested dozens of mounts, read through hundreds of forum discussions, and today I'm breaking down the 5 best dash mounts that actually deliver on their promises. These aren't just cheap plastic holders that'll fail you on the highway. Let's get into it. At number 1, we've got the OHLPRO tablet mount. Now I know what you're thinking. Drilling into your dashboard sounds pretty extreme, but hear me out. If you're serious about a permanent solution that will never, and I mean never, wobble or shake, this is your answer. The OHLPRO uses a professional-grade drill base installation, which means once it's in, it's not going anywhere. This mount is engineered for trucks, RVs, and commercial vehicles that deal with constant vibration. We're talking zero wobble design here. Even on the roughest terrain or unpaved roads, your tablet stays perfectly stable. It fits tablets from 5 to 13 inches, so whether you've got an iPad mini, iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy Tab, or Kindle Fire, you're covered. The long adjustable arm gives you tons of flexibility for positioning without blocking your view of the road. Plus, you get full 360-degree rotation and tilt adjustment. Now, here's the thing you need to consider. This is a permanent installation. You're committing to drill holes, which means it's not ideal if you switch vehicles frequently or if you're leasing. But for owner-operators, long-haul truckers, or anyone who wants the absolute most stable mount possible, this is unbeatable. The installation takes maybe 30 minutes, and you'll never worry about your tablet falling or shaking again. Check the link in the description for current pricing on Amazon. Coming in at number 2 is the eSamcore dashboard mount. This is the sweet spot for most people who want serious stability without permanent installation. What sets this apart is the 2024 upgrade with a reinforced 3M adhesive disc. This isn't just a suction cup, it's a suction cup plus an adhesive backing that grips textured dashboards like nothing else. The suction cup itself is 2.75 inches in diameter with 3 layers of viscous gel, and it handles temperatures from -4 degrees to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. The clamp is deep and strong, 0.8 inches deep and 9.6 inches wide, so it holds tablets even with thick protective cases. You get 360-degree adjustability with a 210-degree adjustable arm, giving you perfect viewing angles without obstructing your windshield view. It fits devices from 6 to 11 inches, including iPad Pro, Air, Mini, Samsung Galaxy Tab, and even foldable phones like the Z Fold series. The consideration here, while the adhesive disc is super strong, if you have an extremely textured or curved dashboard, you might need to clean and prep the surface really well for maximum grip. Some users report needing to replace the adhesive disc after a year of heavy use in extreme temperatures. But for the price point and the fact that it's removable if you need it to be, this is an excellent choice for daily drivers. Link is in the description below. Number 3 is a completely different category, but absolutely essential if you have kids. The HIYJEN Headrest mount. This is the rear-facing entertainment solution that every parent with young kids needs. Instead of mounting on your dashboard or windshield, this clamps directly onto your headrest posts and extends a long adjustable arm that positions the tablet perfectly for backseat passengers. The extended arm gives you tons of flexibility to position the screen at the perfect viewing angle for kids in rear-facing car seats or booster seats. It fits devices from 4.7 to 13 inches, so iPad mini, Air, Pro 12.9, Galaxy Tab, Nintendo Switch, Kindle Fire, all compatible. Installation is completely tool-free. You just clamp it to the headrest posts and adjust. The arm provides 360-degree rotation and tilt, so you can switch between portrait and landscape easily. The construction is surprisingly sturdy for a headrest mount, handles bumpy roads way better than cheaper alternatives. Now, here's what to consider. This takes up one of your headrest positions, so if you need all headrests available for actual head support, that could be a limitation. Also, if you have kids who like to grab and pull on things, you'll want to teach them early that this isn't a toy. The arm is durable, but aggressive pulling can loosen the clamp over time. That said, though, for long road trips and keeping kids entertained, this is a game changer, way better than trying to hand them a tablet that'll inevitably get dropped. Check the description for the Amazon link.
At number 4, we've got the BAISHUN tablet mount.
This is where things get interesting because you're getting dual mounting options in one package. The BAISHUN comes with both a super suction cup and an adhesive base, giving you maximum versatility depending on your vehicle's interior. But what really sets this apart is the 360-degree metal bracket. We're talking all metal construction here, not plastic. This provides way more strength and stability, especially for trucks and commercial vehicles. It's specifically engineered to handle the vibrations and rough road conditions common in trucks. You can mount it on the dash, windshield, wall, or even use it at your desk when you're not driving. It fits tablets from 4.7 to 12.9 inches, iPad Pro, Air, Mini, Galaxy Tab, all covered. The metal construction means this mount will last. You're not going to deal with plastic clips breaking or joints getting loose after a few months. The full 360 rotation gives you multiple angle adjustments for perfect positioning from the driver's seat. The thing to keep in mind, because it's metal, it's a bit heavier than plastic alternatives. That's actually a good thing for stability, but it means the suction cup needs to be firmly attached. Make sure your mounting surface is clean and smooth. Also, metal can get hot in direct sunlight, so if you're in a really hot climate and using windshield mounting, just be aware. For the build quality and dual mounting options, this is a solid investment. Link in the description. And finally, at number 5, we have the Truckules tablet mount. This is specifically engineered for semi-trucks and large commercial vehicles. That 16.7-inch arm is industry-leading. If you've got a large truck cab or you drive an 18-wheeler, you know that standard mounts just don't have the reach you need. Truckules solved that problem. The extended arm gives you maximum reach and positioning flexibility, perfect for those big rigs where your dashboard is far from your seating position. The super suction cup technology is designed specifically for truck dashboards and windshields. It's built to withstand constant vibrations from diesel engines and highway driving. This isn't going to rattle loose after a week on the road. It goes with a dashboard pad, which is huge for truck drivers because most commercial vehicles have those textured, non-smooth dashboards. The pad creates a perfect mounting surface. You can mount it on the dashboard, dashboard pad, windshield, or even side windows. It holds all tablets and iPads with an adjustable grip mechanism and gives you full 360-degree rotation and adjustability for optimal viewing from the driver's seat. Professional long-haul truckers and delivery fleet operators trust this mount. The consideration here is pretty straightforward. This is overkill if you're not driving a large truck or commercial vehicle. If you've got a regular sedan or SUV, that 16.7-inch arm is probably more than you need, and you'd be better off with one of the shorter options. But if you are a truck driver, especially long haul, this is purpose-built for you. Amazon link is waiting in the description. So, there's your complete breakdown of the top 5 dash mounts for iPads and tablets. Thanks for watching. Safe travels out there.